Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to shortcuts on desktop Google Chrome and Windows 10. So how to shortcuts on desktop Google Chrome and Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to the Google Chrome application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial display of Google Chrome. Here it is already on the initial display of the Google Chrome application. For shortcuts on the Google Chrome desktop, just point the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there is a profile icon. And tap. Then a scrolling menu will appear. And select menu, select the Customize Profile menu. Well, here it has entered the Customize Profile menu. Now to create a shortcut. Scroll down yourself. In the Create Desktop Shortcut section, activate it. Now it's done. And then return to the desktop on our computer. Now it's filled in, we can see it. We have successfully created a Google Chrome shortcut on the computer desktop. So that's it, tutorial how to shortcuts on desktop Google Chrome and Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.